Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. If you haven't done it already, please subscribe for further content that I'm going to be uploading. This is going to be the start of the restoration project on my C32 Laurel. It is 1988 and it's an Irish registered one. The shell is really clean, but it wasn't running. There was a 2.8 litre diesel engine, LD28. I wasn't going to be using that, so I actually stripped it down and I sold the crankshaft off it. Some guy in California who was building a 280Z, he was using it for his engine, making a stroker kit. It's just going to be a pretty cool road car, so let's check it out. So as you can see, I already have the engine stripped out of it, and I want to take all the rest of the bits out of it to clean up the whole entire thing. I want to freshen up the engine bay just so it's nice and clean looking. Overall condition, the body isn't really bad. Bad points, windscreen is gone, and the rear window is no longer existent, as you can see. There's a couple of features on the car which I think are really cool. It has front fog lights on it, and it also came with a digital dashboard, which reminded me of do you know that game that you played when you were a kid? Just had a little steering wheel on it and a gear stick on it. All the lights went across it. So that was a cool little kind of retro feature that it had to it. Little boot spoiler on it as well. So yeah, overall the chassis is clean from what I've seen so far anyway. Like, anything could happen. I could find something that I'm not really happy with. Right, I have no engine, so what do you use instead? I'm not going for an RB, I'm not going for an SR. Instead, I'm going for another 6-cylinder engine. And where might I source this engine from? From this, my other C32 Laurel. So a few people are probably going to be wondering, why am I going to be taking all the stuff out of this car and putting it into the other one? Very simple. That one is already registered with an Irish reg plate. This one has an ordinary Irish reg plate. I don't have to go paying VRT on it. Also, the chassis in this one really isn't that clean. There's a couple of rusty points around the chassis. There's a hole on each side of the suspension turret. I put my fingers through it on one side, so there'd be a good bit of work that probably needs to be done with this one. What I like about this one over the other one, it has the 2.4 L24E engine, manual, has air conditioning. The interior inside this car is so much nicer. All the interior is coming out of this car, going into the other one. Even down to the rear seats of this car, there's a little handle on it. They recline. I think that is absolutely cool. Stop it, Bella. Both cars also have a voice warning feature. If you leave the keys in the ignition and you open the door to get out, the car's switched off.
Key is in the ignition.
Same for when the lights are off, if you leave a door open. And also, when the fuel light comes on, you get a little bing. Fuel level is low. I've affectionately come to know her as Lauren. So let's check out the engine. So here is the power plant off the engine, the 2.4 straight 6 L24E manual, as I said. I think this produces maybe 120 horsepower. And I think this tow bar might just be going onto the other car, just for shits and giggles. So things that both cars share in common: electric windows all around, electric sunroof, electric aerial, wipers on the headlights. Both of them have voice warnings as well. So first things first is going to be to clear the engine bay out of the silver Laurel fully, get it all cleaned up and get it ready to paint, and get the other engine from the other Laurel into this one. But before I actually do end up putting the engine into that Laurel, I'm going to give it a bit of a freshen up. The engine is close to 30 years old. It runs okay, like it is driving at the moment. So thank you very much for checking out my video. I'm really excited to get started on this one. I do have my A31 Cephro there as well that has to go away to get some work done on it. Do us a favour, hit like, subscribe, leave us a comment and let me know what you think of this. I'd love to know what people's opinions are. So until next time, Joe out.